Now, before this river was called the San Antonio River, it had another name. This river was called Yanaguana by the Payaya Indians that lived in this area. Yanaguana means place of clear water. It's clear, you just can't tell. Yes, they are really cute. Now, right here where this bridge is at, this is the former location of the old mill crossing. Back in the 1800s, when the Nat Lewis Mill was located here, people would look to my left, look up really, really high. This is the Tower Lights building. Now, it was built in 1929 with a neo-Gothic architecture to it. So if you look way up at the top of the tower, you see gargoyles sticking out of it. Those gargoyles act as a rain